Good morning, everybody. It is Boxing Day here and we have had a wonderful Christmas. I hope you did as well. And I've dropped my sister off to the airport and it's just us. Kids are gaming, you'll hear them in the background, and I'm about to take down all my Christmas decorations. I think people are going to say it's early and to wait till like 1st or 31st of December or the 1st, I don't know. I love Christmas, don't get me wrong. I get excited, I like decorating and getting everything up, but then when I'm done, I'm done. And I have like 2 weeks of holiday. 2 weeks or 3 weeks? 2 weeks of holidays left, and then I'm back to work. So I would actually like to get this done and over with. And then tomorrow we have actually a fun beach day planned with the boys, which I'm looking forward to. We're gonna take Coco. He loves the sand, not so sure about the water. Yeah, and it's like a really hot, muggy day. We had a huge storm yesterday, so the outside of the property is looking quite messy. Chris was down there cleaning the pool this morning, but I think we're gonna get another storm. So while everyone is just gaming, I'm just gonna start like packing up the decorations. Okay, I'm just gonna do it, and then it's done and dusted, and then I can just have a clean start to my new year. Let me know, do you guys like, when do you guys take down your decorations if you decorate? Yeah, I like to do it straight away, and I've done this like almost every other year now, and it feels so good. Anyway, with that being said, let's get.
Are we taking down the tree today?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure.
Tree is almost done. Got one more set of lights to take down. Taking down the nails. We ended up nailing the stockings because they kept falling. Starting to look bare, isn't it? Starting to look a bit bare now. Yeah. Then that's taken down. Now to take down my office tree. This one's not too bad. It's not as big as the other one. Chris is still doing lights, and we're trying to figure out if we should put the tree away as it is or take down each individual branch, because it's a lot of work to put it back on. I'm thinking we store it. Yeah, now this tree, fun.
Beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now.
All the Christmas decoration has been taken down. Still got some things to put away. I've just left it there because I'm trying to figure out where to file everything away. But yeah, it looks so spacious. I added a lamp there that I got from my dear friend Kate. She is amazing. She got me that lamp. Yes, and I'll show you my office. It's a bit messy in here because we are prepping for back to school stuff. Yes, and my bookshelf is still looking lovely, and there's a big box of chocolate there, not mine. Kids have placed it, and passports are out because it's all happening, you guys. We're getting ready for the new year ahead. And my garden bed is looking good. Today's going to be a really hot day. It's going to be 37 degrees. Yeah, it's very, very hot. It's a nice change up from all the wet weather we've had, actually.